So I've just made another little section here, a few bamboo ramps, bamboo out the garden. I've no idea whether I'm going to keep it there or whether I'm even going to use them 2 bits of timber or make it a little bit more challenging, but let's give it a little go. Yeah, definitely think it needs to be a bit steeper. Let's go the other way, see what it's like the other way. Yeah, so it's it's good both ways, but I think I'm going to make it a little bit more interesting. Maybe do a few zigzags or make that one shorter and steeper to make it a little bit more challenging. But thanks for watching anyway.